Hello and welcome to McLaren. Today we will talk about how to assemble your auger drive. Once you receive your auger, you will see that you receive the following components: a planetary drive, an auger bit, and a hose kit. In the hose kit, there will be included two hoses, also a male and a female coupler, and a mount. This mount will include a knuckle box and the planetary drive cradle. To start this process, place the planetary drive cradle onto the mount. This will be secured with 4 bolts and 4 nuts. Bolts and nuts will be found in the knuckle assembly box. Remaining in the knuckle assembly box will be the knuckle assembly. There will be a pin along with 2 locking pins. The knuckle assembly will sit above the planetary drive cradle. First, insert the metal rod. This should be secured with a lock pin on one side. Then, insert the second lock pin. This will go on the other side of the metal rod, thus securing the knuckle assembly. Now that the mount assembly is completed, you can move forward to the planetary drive. On the top of the planetary drive, locate the pin that is secured with a lock pin or a cotter pin. Remove the lock pin, allowing the planetary drive pin to freely slide out. This pin will be used to secure the planetary drive to the knuckle assembly. Line up the holes of the planetary drive with the holes of the knuckle assembly and reinsert the planetary pin and secure it with the lock pin. Your planetary drive is installed. Your next step will be to install the auger bit. In the hex opening on the top of the auger bit, there will be a nut and a bolt. Remove both of them and slide your auger onto the planetary drive, making sure the holes are lined up. Reinsert and tighten the bolt and the nut for the auger bit. The final step will be installing the hose kit. Included in the hose kit are 2 hoses, a male and a female coupler, or a quick connect coupler. On the planetary drive, both hoses will connect to the 45-degree fittings. Tighten them both and now attach your quick connect couplers to the remaining ends of your hoses. Now you're ready to connect both hoses to your machine. Go McLaren, go extreme.